Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Sorry the lighting is super weird. I'm in a different car today and for whatever reason, this lighting is just absolutely horrible, but I don't know how to fix it. I've been driving around this parking lot aimlessly trying to get good lighting and whatever. We're gonna have to deal with it today. But Uber CEO sent me an email today. I was like, wow. I didn't know Uber CEO watched my videos, but I don't know, maybe he does, because he sent me an email today. Apparently he watches the Rideshare Guy's channel, which shout out to you, Harry Campbell, if you're watching this. All right, let me just pull up this email. So this is the email that I got from the Uber CEO. He basically sent me an email going over his new proposal for the new way that drivers can be considered employees or independent contractors. Whether or not drivers should be, wow, it's so dark here, bro. I gotta move. I gotta move. This is so dark. I've never had this bad lighting ever. I feel like I'm like in a horror movie. Okay, what if I go this way? There, it was just good. It was just good for a split second. Do you guys see that? What happened? There we go, there we go. Okay. All right, so yeah, he's trying to basically make a new way for drivers to be. Right now there's independent contractors, employees. He's trying to make something in the middle, right? That's kind of what he's doing, right? This is what he goes. Okay, I'm just gonna click on the mail app in 3, 2, 1, click. This is what he goes. He goes, Dylan, I hope this email finds you and your loved ones safe and well during this time. Well, Dara Koshahari, yes, we are doing well and safe. Thank you for asking. I hope your family's doing well too, Dara. He goes, I know these past few months have been difficult, especially for essential workers like you and others on the front lines. COVID-19 has changed the way we all think about work, but more importantly, it has revealed the inequity of a system in which some workers get benefits while many others don't. For too long, Uber and other gig economy companies have accepted this as the norm. That needs to change, and we have a responsibility to change it. We have a blah, 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 blah. Today, so he wrote this article, right? I am the CEO of Uber. Gig workers deserve better. I need to turn off these stupid notifications. Don't you just hate when you have all your notifications on? Off. There we go. Got more important things to do than get texts. Since the first Uber trip 10 years ago, one existential question has shadowed us. Do we treat drivers well? No. We all know that. Well, whatever. Sorry. I'm a little salty today because there's just a lot of reasons why I am salty. Many of our critics, including the New York Times editorial board, believe that Uber and our gig economy peers have failed drivers by treating them as contractors, and that we will do anything to avoid the cost of employee benefits like health insurance. That's not why we don't like, that's not why at all that we think that they have failed us. That's not, oh, many of our critics, oh, okay. Given our company's history, I can understand why they think that, but it's not true, and it's not what I believe. Our current employment system is outdated and unfair. Uber right now is ready to pay more to give drivers new benefits and protections, but America needs to change the status quo to protect all workers, not just one type of work. It's actually an interesting point, but can you just give us more money? Be like, here's an extra, every driver, an extra 10 grand a year. I think we would all be happy with that. Why not just treat drivers as employees? Some of our critics argue that doing so would make drivers' problems vanish overnight. Rideshare Professor, if you're watching this, I saw you comment on Harry Campbell's video. Actually, the Rideshare Guy, he just interviewed Dara, Koshahari, and guys, the comments in this are really interesting. I think I'm blocked on this channel. I tried leaving a comment. You guys let me know if I'm blocked, because you guys should be able to see my comment if I'm not blocked. So I'm gonna leave this right now, and you guys go over there and see if I'm blocked. But anyways, Rideshare Professor goes, Dar and Harry, good afternoon. My question to Dar, you wiped out hundreds of thousands of referral dollars in 2019. Will we get our money we worked hard for, or does it take another legal battle to access our monies? Torsten, I also don't know. I mean, I've lost a lot of money with that too, so yeah, I'm not really sure about that. If you know any updates about that, let me know. More importantly than what I think is what drivers think. In public surveys over the last decade, the vast majority of drivers have said they don't want to be employees, blah, blah, blah. We just want more money. So this is what he basically is doing. He's trying to create a third type of employment. He thinks, oh, us as Uber and us as DoorDash and us as Instacart and Postmates and Lyft and all this stuff, we've created a new type of work. People now rely on work through these apps, and they don't want to make people either independent contractors or employees. They want something in the middle, a third way. So that's his big proposal. So if you go here on the website, essentially there are like 6 ways to improve work for you. Advocating to government for protections and benefits. Injury protection. By the way, Cover just launched protections for drivers. If you want this right now, if you want protections from accidents, all this stuff and more, maybe not all this stuff, but a lot of this stuff and more, paid sick leave, go to Cover, use our link down below for that, because they are already doing this for drivers, and it starts at $7 a month. So investing, providing local earnings estimates. I mean, I don't need to know what drivers in other cities are earning. Like, that's not gonna help me at all. This is help us improve independent work. This is it? Yeah, I mean, this is kind of BS in my opinion. I don't know. I mean, I think they're just trying to get out of this legal battle, in my opinion, because they're getting sued like a lot. I don't think they want drivers to be this new type of I think they just are doing that so that they don't need to get sued anymore, because there's this huge lawsuit that just happened by the California commissioner. By the way, this is everywhere, every state. He said that in the interview with Rideshare Campbell. What's his name? Harry Campbell. So this just comes right after this lawsuit. But anyways, guys, that's it. I just wanted to share this with you. This is big news. What do I think about it? I don't think that's really gonna do anything, and I don't think the government's gonna be like, okay, yeah, let's make a new type of worker. Like, they've already said they want to just make drivers employees, so I don't think this is like gonna happen quickly at all. It might take years, but I mean, it does start the conversation. But anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and comment for update videos on this topic. I'll talk to y'all soon, and have a great day, guys. Bye.